Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Doreen and welcome to today's video. So guys, in today's video I want to clean this oven. As you can see, it's dirty, and all I want to do is thoroughly clean it. Yeah, so I want to tag you along so that I can motivate you, so that you can keep me company as I do this. So guys, I'm going to use this one product, which is a kitchen cleaner, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spray the product on the oven, and then I let it soak for a while, then I come back to scrub. Actually, I have two ovens, but the other one I'm going to do it off camera. But trust me, I'm going to show you how it looks like, and then after I scrub it, I'm going to show you the end product. Okay, so guys, without any further ado, let's do this, and I hope you're enjoying this video. So guys, after soaking for 10 minutes, I'm back with the scrub, and I'm going to scrub until it starts getting clean. So guys, the only product I'm using, as I told you, is kitchen cleaner. Yeah, so that's the only product I'm going to use in this oven. Okay guys, so I'm going to scrub everywhere on those edges, on those corners. As you can see, they are dirty, and I'm going to make them sparkling clean. Okay, yeah, so guys, continue watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell so that you can join my family. And if you don't mind, please join my membership, guys. Okay, yeah, and if you are able to share my video, share it out, give it a thumbs up so that it can get to more people, guys. Okay, yeah, so let's continue watching.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, 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 I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me so.
So guys, as you can see on these corners, they are lusty, I can say, or what word can I use? Comment down below, let me know what word can I use, what term can I use. So I'm going to scrap this side as well, even if it's a bit hard because it has some wires. Is it wires or what? Yeah, it's hard and delicate to scrub because I might hurt my hands and all that, but I'm going to try as much as possible to ensure that this oven looks sparkling clean. Even if it means like I'm going to do magic, I'm going to do it, okay? Because I wanna see it sparkling clean. So yeah. So guys, after scrubbing, I'm going in with my wet kitchen cloth. Actually, I have cold water. I'm going to use the cold water to wipe out the dirt. As you can see, the cloth can tell you a lot. The oven is dirty. The cloth can really tell you that the oven is dirty. So I'm going to use this cloth to wipe into all the corners. I'm going to do it into details so that I can ensure that all the product is out. And yeah, so I'm going to wipe it. I'm going to rinse it twice to ensure that all the product is out and all the dirt is out. After that, I'm going in with my white kitchen cloth to wipe with it so that I can ensure that all the places are clean and all that. And then you guys, as I was cleaning the oven, I realized that on the entrance of the oven, like on the door, it has a rubber. I don't know if you guys, your ovens has that rubber. So that rubber ensure that you check it out. Yeah, so that rubber also tends to have dirt as well. So I went ahead and removed this rubber. As you can see, this is the rubber I'm talking about. So I'm going to remove it, and then I'm going to clean it as well, because you can't clean the surfaces of the oven and then you forget about this part as well, because it's part of the oven. Yeah, so ensure that you check if your oven has one, and when you're cleaning your oven, make sure you clean it. As you can see, it's dirty. From this cloth, it tells that the rubber is dirty. So please remember to clean your rubber when you are cleaning your oven. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to remove everything, like the all the rubber from the oven, and then I'm going to put it back. You're going to see how I'm going to put it back. So it's not hard, it's not like work, a lot of work for you, so don't like hesitate to remove it. Okay, yeah guys, let's continue.
I know the air I'm breathing, it's no good for my lungs. I do this every season, I hate when summer comes. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost.
So you guys, can you see my water? It's very dark, but I'm going to change it to clean water, and then I rinse it.
And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. I'm always self-destructive, I'll take a hit, I love it. Can you give me a second? I'm slow, got blurry vision. I fall into a trap that I made by myself. Oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady, I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy, my heart feels heavy, I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. Please help me see the things that I am, I don't understand. I'm doing the best that I can right now, but it's never enough. I'm not even ready to slow down. Just slow down. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now. And I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
So guys, here I'm wiping this mirror, and it definitely has some stains. I don't know how I can explain it, but there are those stains which happens to get inside the mirror. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but if you get me, comment down below, let me know how I can remove those stains which happens to be inside the mirror. I don't know how I can explain it to you guys. So yeah, here I'm going to take back the rubber. It's clean, I've wiped it so well, I've rinsed it so well. So here I am going to turn it back, and it has some hooks. And in the main oven it has spaces where you hook the rubber into. So it's that easy. Actually, it's straightforward. You don't strain, it's just straightforward. It's just a matter of seeing where the hook is and where the opening is on the oven, and then you put it back. Yeah, so guys, I'm going to get in with my white cloth so that I can wipe the oven and see if there is any dirty remaining, because I trust I've done my best. Yeah, so yeah, let's wait until we go in with the white cloth and see if there is any dirt remaining. And yeah, comment down below. Let me know how often do you clean your oven? Do you clean your oven? Which product do you normally use? Let me know in the comment section. Which one works with you better? Which one works with you best? Which one have you tried and it didn't work with you? For me, I can tell you that this Ace kitchen cleaner has really done magic because the oven turned out sparkling clean and I really can't complain. As you can see from this white kitchen cloth, it doesn't have any stain, and this tells that the oven is really clean and it doesn't have any dirt on it, and a girl did it. Yeah, so guys, as I told you earlier, I was cleaning the other oven which is down. I didn't do it on camera because I'm going to use the same procedure, you guys. I'm only going to show you the oven, how it looked like at the start, like how it was looking like, and then I'm going to show you after how it looks like. Okay, you guys? So yeah, that's the second oven I'm talking about, and you guys, that's how it looks like. Okay, so yeah, the display, I'm going to use the same product, of course, the Ace kitchen cleaner, because I really trust it, because it has really done magic. As you can see as well, it's not clean, it's dirty. So you guys, I'm going to clean it off camera and wait to see how it will really turn out. Yeah, so guys, I'm done cleaning all the two ovens. So this is the first oven which we did together, you guys. I tagged you along. I showed you from the start how I started applying my product, how I scrubbed it, rinsing it and drying it up. As you can see, it really looks different from what we saw earlier, despite the fact that it doesn't look like new, but I'm happy it looks better and it looks clean at the moment, you guys. So I'm going ahead to show you the second oven, which I did off camera, and I showed you how it was looking like before I scrubbed it, you guys. So this is how this second oven looks like, and you guys, I'm so happy because it turned out so clean. Comment down below, let me know what product you use, and comment down below, let me know how I did it. Yeah, so guys, that's it for this video. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, click that notification bell so that you can be among the first people to get notified wherever I get to post a new video, guys. So until my next video, what do I say, guys? Bye bye.